Hello students, welcome to grammar class. So today you are going to learn chapter number 5, past tense revision. In the previous class we had discussed about present tense. Today in this class we shall discuss about past tense in detail. Now look at these sentences. They agreed to meet at coffee shop. John behaved very badly. The car crashed into the tree. The highlighted words are in past tense. Then what is past tense? The past tense expresses an action, a state of being, or a state of possession that was completed in the past. For example, I ate breakfast. Here ate expresses an action. I was very hungry. Here was expresses a state of being. I had a pet earlier. Here had expresses a state of possession. The past tense is categorized further into following types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. First, we will study about simple past. The simple past is a verb tense which is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. There are three forms in which simple past tense is observed: positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. In positive statements or sentences, we use past tense of the verb, that is V2 form. The sentence structure is subject plus past form of the verb plus object. In negative sentences, the sentence structure is subject plus did not refers negative plus base form of the verb, that is V1 form, plus object. In interrogative sentences, the sentence structure is did plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object followed by question mark. Interrogative sentences can be formed by question words like what, why, where, etc. Now let's see uses of simple past tense. First is completed action. That means an action that took place at some point of time in the past. We use simple past tense to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. For example, we saw the superstar at the market last Sunday. Here, the specific time of seeing the superstar is not specified, but they do have one specific time in their mind. Second, duration of time. That means an action that took place over a period of time in the past. The simple past tense can be used with duration which starts and stopped in the past. For example, I lived in Bengaluru for 2 years. A duration is a longer action, often indicated by expressions such as for 2 years, for 5 minutes, etc. Third is past habits. The simple past tense can be used to describe a habit which stopped in the past. We often add expressions such as always, never, often, sometimes, etc. For example, I played football when I was a child. On the basis of the explanation given, let's solve A main. Rewrite these sentences in the negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative form. First question is solved in the textbook. Let's start with the second one. The bus came late in the morning. Remember children, when you use did, always use V1 form of the verb, that is base form of the verb. Now we have to change the sentence into negative, interrogative and negative interrogative form. So start with negative. The bus did not come late in the morning. Here we have used V1 form of the verb. Next is interrogative. Did the bus come late in the morning? No, the sentence should be followed by question mark. Negative interrogative. It's a combination of negative and interrogative. Didn't the bus come late in the morning? Now, using question mark is compulsory. Third question. Varun gifted Mona books on her birthday. Negative sentence. Varun did not gift Mona books on her birthday. Interrogative. Did Varun gift Mona books on her birthday? Negative interrogative. Didn't Varun gift Mona books on her birthday? Fourth, they inaugurated the bookstore on Sunday. Negative, they did not inaugurate the bookstore on Sunday. Interrogative, did they inaugurate the bookstore on Sunday? Negative interrogative, didn't they inaugurate the bookstore on Sunday? Fifth question, he failed to reach the venue on time. Negative sentence, he did not fail to reach the venue on time. Interrogative, did he fail to reach the venue on time? Negative interrogative, didn't he fail to reach the venue on time? Sixth question, Kirti joined a new company this year. Negative sentence, Kirti did not join a new company this year. Interrogative, did Kirti join a new company this year? Negative. Interrogative, didn't Kirti join a new company this year? Seventh question, Madhu warned the children against playing in the parking lot. Negative sentence, Madhu did not warn the children against playing in the parking lot. Interrogative, did Madhu warn the children against playing in the parking lot? Negative interrogative, didn't Madhu warn the children against playing in the parking lot? Eighth question, Sonam made delicious noodles. Negative, Sonam did not make delicious noodles. Interrogative, did Sonam make delicious noodles? Negative interrogative, didn't Sonam make delicious noodles? Now let's solve C-mean. Frame the questions for the following answers using question word. First question is solved in the textbook, so we'll start with second one. I found the weather in Bhopal to be very hot. Use the question word given in the bracket and frame the question. The answer is, how did you find weather in Bhopal? Third one, I spent my summer vacation in Shimla. Where did you spend your summer vacation? Fourth one, I bought the blue and orange shirt from the store. Answer, what did you buy from the store? Seventh one, he reached school late because he couldn't get up in the morning on time. Answer, why did he reach school late? Eighth question, I need 500 gram flour for making this dish. The sentence is wrong because the sentence is given in simple present tense. So we have to change it into simple present tense. Okay? So the answer is, how much flour do you need for making this dish? Now look at these sentences. I was watching the movie when she called. The spectators were cheering loudly. The highlighted words are in the past continuous tense. So past continuous tense talks about an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. Now let's see the sentence structure of past continuous tense. Subject plus be form plus verb plus ing plus object. Be form refers to was or were. Now let's see the uses of past continuous tense. First one, two actions that went on the same point of time in the past. That means when we use the past continuous tense with two actions in the same sentence, it expresses the idea that both actions were happening at the same time in the past. Here, action do not influence each other. For example, I was playing while you were sleeping. The actions are parallel to each other. Next, the actions that was repeated frequently in the past. That means past tense can be used with the words like always or constantly. It is used to talk about things that happening repeatedly but occurred in the past. For example, when I was a child, I was always watching animated films on TV. Third one, the gradual development of an action. For example, it was getting dark and the search team was still looking for the lost boat. Difference between simple past and past continuous tense. Simple past tense is used when we are talking about an action that is completed in the past, whereas past continuous tense is used when we are talking about an action that was going on for some time. Non-action verbs take the simple past tense, whereas non-action verbs generally do not take the past continuous tense. On the basis of the explanation, let's solve D-mean. Fill in the blanks with the simple past or the past continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. First one, I dashed television when she dashed. Answer is, I was watching television when she called. Second one, when the phone dashed, she dashed a letter. When the phone rang, she was writing a letter. Third one, while we dash the picnic, it dashed to rain. While we were enjoying the picnic, it started to rain. Fourth one, what dash you dash when the earthquake dash? What were you doing when the earthquake started? Fifth one, I dash to music, so I dash not hear the fire alarm. Answer, I was listening to music, so I did not hear the fire alarm. Sixth one, you dash not dash to me when I dash you to turn the oven off. You were not listening to me when I told you to turn the oven off. Seventh one, while John dashed last night, someone dashed his car. While John was sleeping last night, someone stole his car. Eighth one, Sammy dashed for us when we dashed off the plane. Sammy was waiting for us when we got off the plane.